PVC sheets are popular in interior design, especially in kitchens and shelves. PVC stands for polyvinyl chloride, a synthetic plastic polymer that is lightweight, durable, and low cost. Here are some of the benefits and applications of using PVC sheets in interior designing. Moisture and heat resistance. PVC sheets are highly moisture and heat resistant, making them ideal for kitchen interiors. They can withstand the high humidity and temperature levels common in cooking areas without warping or deteriorating. Low maintenance. PVC sheets are easy to clean and maintain, which makes them an excellent choice for busy kitchens. Unlike other materials like wood, they do not require regular polishing or sealing. Versatile design options. PVC sheets come in a variety of colors, textures, and patterns, which makes them versatile for interior design. They can mimic the look of other materials such as wood, metal, or stone and be customized to suit any design style or theme. Cost-effective. PVC sheets are one of the most cost-effective materials for interior designing, which makes them an excellent choice for budget-conscious homeowners or commercial projects. PVC sheets can be used in several ways in kitchen and shelf interiors, such as cabinet doors and drawers. PVC sheets can cover cabinet doors and drawers to give them a sleek and modern look. They can be customized to match the color and style of the kitchen and can be cut to any size or shape. Backsplash. PVC sheets can be used as a backsplash behind the stove or sink to protect the walls from water and food splatters. They can be easily installed and are available in various colors and textures. Shelving. PVC sheets can be used to cover shelves in the kitchen or pantry. They are lightweight and durable, which makes them a practical choice for storing heavy kitchen items. Overall, PVC sheets are an excellent choice for interior design work in kitchens and shelves. They offer a range of benefits, including durability, moisture resistance, low maintenance, versatility, and cost-effectiveness.